Get your ass back in that bed.
Oh my god. I went to time.
That was a very short time.
That was close.
Way close.
Way closer.
That was like 30 miles away.
Not even that.
I think it's like 9 miles for every second you counted, and I swear it was only 4 or 5 seconds.
I thought it was shorter distance than that.
Nah. Shouldn't have been. I don't think it is. I don't know. Look it up.
Woo!
Ooh, that was a good one. Wake your ass up, bitch. Get your ass back in that bed.
Oh, I got that. On the tip of it.
Yeah, I got it right in my fucking face. Ah, you got a headlight out, and you're a Ford Bronco. Or a Chevy. You're a Chevy.
Dude, this is getting more active, though.
That one was close. That was right in front of us.
Oh my god.
You see how fast that was? 2 seconds? That was like 18 miles away.
Oh my god.
Wonder if we got power.
Oh gosh, I hope so. I just seen that one too. It was like right there.
That one was.
Holy crap. This is highly, highly active stuff.
That was about. That was close. That was close to about 50, 60 miles. Right there, that one was. Up here. Tornado warning again. I got another one. Keep my eyes peeled. There's my sister. Talk to me.
Oh my god.
We're hearing about it. We just got her texting on.
My phone's continuously let me know.
I'm almost home. I went out to get dinner. I got my wife with me. We're good. Love you. Bye.
Love you.
At World Golf Village, she says.
Yeah, but it's moving this way, southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Holy shit!
That was right there.
Oh my god.
That was right there.
Oh my god. Oh my god, man. Lord Jesus. Keep your hands off the metal, is all I can say.
I ain't got nothing on metal.
Neither do I.
Goddamn, this guy's turning with me.
Oh my god, that was right there.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, hello.
That one was right there.
That was right there too.
No, that was a little ways away. That was about 3-4 seconds. That's about.
Oh my god, another one.
That one was right. That one was right behind us. Calm down, Rita. Well, we got power.
I see people who have power out here, yeah. Somebody's house alarm's going off.
I gotta get the steering wheel clean. It's all ooey.
Oh! Oh god.
Mother Nature's fighting back, you bastards! And she's fighting back with big guns.
Yes, she is! I don't know where that one was. It's highly active here, that's all I can say. warning now.
Get your ass home. What the fuck do you think I'm trying to do, Antoinette?
We're trying.
I had to go get dinner. I should have said I had to go get food for our mother. Because she'd shut her fucking mouth in a heartbeat about. You want to get out and get hit by lightning and check the mail?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Let's just go home.
Oh, for a second there, that light out there had me thinking it was a fire.
Yeah. Oh! God, it's right there.
The dress on fire.
And I've got this all recorded too. Ooh.
I love you, Antoinette.
I love everything.
I got caught on tape griping. I love you. That was right on the other side of the highway. Highway.
Yeah, that thingy right in front of us. She's only protecting us, honey. That's all it is.
I know. How'd she even know I wasn't home?
Mom might have called. I don't know. Or she might have called checking on us. On Mom, you know, and us.
Ah!
Oh, God. That was a weird one.
Did you see the frog headed for the water?
No, I'm busy looking at the sky.
He was bouncing his ass off headed for the water. I'm getting out of here. Fuck that shit.
Shit. Oh my God. I have never seen lightning like this before, except for when a hurricane hit back in 2004.
Kaboom! Ka-fucking-boom!
I am so putting this on YouTube because, oh my God, this is freaking freaky.
I want to see.
Check the house.
I'm good. I'm good.
Oh my.
I'm alive.
Jesus.
My pants are warmer.
Agreed there.
We still got power.
Yeah, there's light there. Okay. Hey! God, it's like bombs dropping all around us.
Yup. Bombs over Bonafide land.
The compound.
Get home, get our towers turned off.
Yes, we do. Shit. I wonder if we still got satellite.
We should.
It's only a lightning storm, pretty much.
Yeah.
Oh
There's
my
clouds, but. Get under cover, quick!
Okay, can you take this and I grab the creamers? And my purse. Ah! Damn! I missed that. Oh, okay, I don't want to replay. Oh my God. Ah! I won't touch a metal. Tornadoes are all over the place. Oh shit, I'm sorry, baby. There went
Tornado Girl Golf Village.
I know,
They expected it to hit Vermont Heights within the next few minutes.
It's already cracking and whipping around here, Mom.
I know it is.
we had lightning striking all around us. Oh my God. What, puppies? You're okay. It's okay. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Yep. I'm unplugging. I'm going after it. Where are you at? There's one. There's that one. Unplugged. Move, dogs. Back in there. Oh my God. Get back in there. Get back in there. You're okay. You're okay.
I don't see a single fucking flash. Oh, this works.
Oh my God. That was on I-95.
Okay. We're not on 995 yet.
No, but we're right beside it. Oh my god. I gotta start recording a new one.